Engage takeoff sequence. All systems green.
Takeoff authorized. Clear the platform.
Initiating vertical lift. Transitioning to forward flight. Entering the network.
The manufacturing of the electric VTOL flying car begins with the arrival of aerospace-grade materials, forming the foundation of urban air mobility technology.
Each component is digitally logged to ensure full life cycle traceability. Carbon fiber materials are preserved in strict environmental conditions. Lightweight aluminum-lithium alloys are verified for aerospace precision. High-strength titanium is prepared for critical load-bearing components.
Every titanium component is permanently identified before machining. Energy storage components are handled under strict electrostatic control.
Battery cells are verified for safety and performance. With materials approved, manufacturing advances to composite fabrication. Carbon fiber fabrication begins with precision-controlled cutting operations.
Resin infusion transforms dry fibers into a unified structural composite.
Non-destructive testing confirms internal structural integrity. Composite fabrication is complete. Structural assembly begins next.
Program sequence initiated. Batch 749 confirmed.
Titanium components handle the highest structural loads.
Data stream looks good. Initiate wing spar attachment protocol immediately. Structural geometry is verified to aerospace tolerances.
How's the alignment looking down there?
We're almost seated. Bring it down slowly.
The primary structure is verified before system integration. Internal spars give the wing its strength and flight stability.
Heat and pressure permanently bond the composite structure.
Non-destructive testing ensures internal structural integrity.
Each motor is tested for efficiency, balance, and reliability.
Just a few more centimeters to the left.
Laser alignment is holding steady. We have green. The airframe is now structurally complete.
Thermal management ensures safe, high-power operation.
Redundant systems guarantee safety in flight.
Battery safety is engineered at every level. Guides are clear, lowering to seat.
Confirmed locked. Green indicator is solid.
The energy system is now flight ready. Avionics bay cleared and ready.
Redundant flight computers ensure continuous control.
Precise inertial data is essential for stable flight.
Clean data signals are critical for autonomous control.
Sensor fusion allows the vehicle to perceive its environment.
Pilots can always take control.
Avionics integration is complete. All tests passed.
Ready for sign-off.
Approved.
The cockpit comes alive.
The aircraft's digital brain is installed at the heart of the vehicle.
The connection is secure. Confirmed. Testing full range now. Smooth movement, good. Test complete. Excellent.
Torque check on fasteners 1 through 7.
Reading nominal. Moving to 8.
Sealant is smooth and cured.
All parameters clear.
Structure integrity approved.
Avionics passed. Final approval confirmed.
Successful navigation test complete. All systems green.
Commencing drive mode calibration sequence now.
Steering angle sensors zeroed. Throttle response mapped. Region braking tuned for road use. Perfect.
Initiating transition cycle 1. Pressure check positive.
Angle encoders verified.
System check complete. No faults.
Emergency override initiated.
Systems reverting to manual. Confirmed.
Testing different flight modes now.
Manual control engaged.
System sync complete.
Test successful.
All systems synchronized. Data alignment complete. Software calibration approved.
Software calibration approved.
Load engaging.
Initiating 150% stress test.
Readings are stable and within limits.
Hold for 10 seconds.
Test complete. Pass structural integrity.
Heating element engaged.
Gas readings critical. Containment systems activating.
Runaway confirmed. Propagation prevented. Coefficients matching at 250.
Excellent. Proceed to vibration analysis.
Interior cabin noise is at 63 decibels. Vibration levels are within ISO standards, green across the board. Perfect. Full power run complete. The cabin noise level is optimal at 64 dBs. Exterior flying action is also below regular. The structural analysis confirms exceptional durability. And the final failsafe protocols? All systems are GO, ready for launch. Fantastic, congratulations.
Code accepted. Issuing approval.
We've got confirmation.
Ground testing protocols initiated.
Taxi speed is nominal, maintaining 30 km/h. Copy that, proceeding with left turn initiation. Smooth left turn executed, increasing. Lifting. Hover successful, descending.
Altitude holding at 5.0 meters.
Maintaining near zero drift. Adjusting flap angles by 0.1 degree.
Status green.
Auto landing sequence initiated. Precision alignment confirmed. Landing gear fully deployed. Final approach. Touchdown imminent. Propulsion shutdown authorized.
All systems checked. Performance targets met and exceeded.
Initiating final approval.
Flight test results approved. Let's move to certification.
Final records here.
Approved test data.
Certification dossier is complete.
Upload complete. Verified.
Tan leather, black accents, premium avionics, and the call sign Alpha Zulu 330. Confirmation frame is making contact with the wingtip.
Securing the landing gear bracket now.
Check the rear locks, all systems clear for transit.
There it is. She's all yours. Wow, it's incredible.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Engage takeoff sequence. All systems green.
Takeoff authorized. Clear the platform.
Initiating vertical lift. Transitioning to forward flight. Entering the network.